A few days ago, I wanted a simple grid to apply the rule of thirds to one of my artworks. If you ever study composition, you know how useful and important this rule can be. While looking for a solution, since Clip Studio doesn't have anything native to help with this, I came across this tutorial on Clip Studio website made by Lunática, a Spanish artist. I found it so useful for my workflow that I decided to make this tutorial to spread the word to other horizons. The link to the original tutorial will be in the description. Go there and show some love to the creator. Alright, so what we are going to do is to create an auto action. That way, with just one click, you will have your rule of thirds grid ready to use, no matter the size of your canvas. First, for this action to work, we need to check your preferences. Go to File, Preferences, ... then select Layer/Frame. Here, you will define the thickness of the grid lines. Under Frame Border, you will need to adjust the settings. I like to use 2 by 2, but you can go with 3 by 3, 1 by 1, whatever works best for you. Now, let's move on to the action itself. Go to the Auto Action panel. Mine is right here, but if you can't find it, go to Window, then Auto Action to make it appear in your workspace. Click on the little folder icon with a sheet of paper to create a new auto action. A new window will pop up, and here you can name your action. We can call it Rule of Thirds. I just named my thirds. You name it whatever you want. Alright, let's open a new file to make sure everything is working correctly. In the Auto Action panel, at the bottom, click the Record button, this big red button here. From this point on, pretty much everything you do inside the software will be recorded until you hit stop. That's how you record actions. Now go to Layer, then New Layer, and select Frame Border folder. Here, let's name it again Rule of Thirds, 2 pixels. Then go to Layer, then Rule of Frame, then divide frame border equally. Here, make sure both number of vertical divisions and number of horizontal divisions are checked, and set them to 3 by 3. Also check Fit to the side direction of frame, so the template fills any canvas size and shape. Lastly, select Do Not Change, so it modifies the existing layer instead of creating a new one, and click OK to finish. Click the Stop button in the Auto Action panel, and that's it. Your action is ready. It will be saved here in the panel along with your other actions. Whenever you want to use it in a new project, just click it and it will automatically generate the grid regardless of the canvas size. That way, you can apply the rule of thirds to your compositions, illustrations, photos, whatever you are working on. Don't forget to check out the original tutorial and thank Lunática. Also, leave a comment on how you usually use the rule of thirds in your compositions. Like and subscribe. I will keep bringing new tutorials for you, and see you next time. Bye!